Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to transfer money from Brightwell to your bank account in 2025. If you're managing finances with Brightwell, this is a must-know skill to get your funds where you need them fast. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your knowledge, we'll break it down step by step in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you're all set up. You'll need the Brightwell app on your phone, a verified account, and your bank linked for seamless transfers. This ensures everything is secure and ready to go. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Brightwell app and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication, complete that for extra security. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the main dashboard and look for the Transfer or Move Money option. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank Account and enter the amount you want to send. Double-check the details like the exact amount and your bank's routing number to avoid any hiccups. Step 4. Review the transaction summary. This is your chance to confirm everything: fees, recipient, and timing. Brightwell transfers are often instant or take 1 to 2 business days in 2025, depending on your bank. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer. You might need to use a PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for verification. Once done, you'll get a confirmation notification. And that's it, your money should be on its way. Pro tip: always check for any transfer fees in the app to avoid surprises, and monitor your bank account for the funds. If you run into issues, Brightwell's support is just a chat away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money management tips. See you in the next video.